Hi, my name is Shandy Foster. Nice to meet you. I'm currently a student at Ashford University working on my Master of Arts in Education. I'm specializing in early childhood education and working as a full-time lead preschool teacher at a child care center. I have 14 students enrolled between the ages of 3 and 5. I've worked in state-ran childcare for over 3 years now, but would love the opportunity to work in the public school system, to utilize my skills and training in Common Core curriculum and conscious discipline classroom management strategies. I'm a real stickler for positive reinforcement and nonviolent communication. I pride myself in my abilities to differentiate lessons in the classroom and tweak my lesson plans to meet my students' needs. I have experience working with children that are on the autism spectrum, as well as students that speak foreign languages. And I understand strategies that I can use to differentiate in the classroom for those students and to help them reach their learning goals.